We just uploaded our most recent advanced paintless dent repair training module, and you will not want to miss this one. This is something that they will not teach you in traditional paintless dent repair schools. This is a very, very challenging repair, and it's challenging for one being that it's on aluminum, and two being that it's on the very edge of the panel. This is just one of those areas that a lot of technicians have trouble with, but I will teach you and give you a roadmap and help you navigate these types of repairs to get them done to a very, very high level. If you're looking to be the guy in your area and looking to take on more and more of these challenging repairs that most people think are not possible, well, then this is your subscription course that you want to be a part of. Don't miss out on this opportunity to invest in yourself and become the best you could possibly be in this amazing craft we're in. Thanks for watching.